Hi there, welcome to Vyte. Looking to schedule custom Zoom meetings efficiently and without creating a conference room link manually? This is now possible with Vyte and our Zoom integration. Let's check how it works. First, let's connect your Zoom account with Vyte. Go to your account application and select the Zoom integration. Then connect your Zoom account and authorize the Vyte access to it. Your Zoom account is now connected. Let's now schedule a Zoom meeting. First, you will need to define the subject of the meeting and add invitees to the event. Once it's done, you can define one or several dates proposition for the meeting. Pick a place for this event and select Zoom. You can add a custom link of yours or let Vyte create the conference room link automatically as soon as the event is confirmed. You can now send your invitation and wait for the votes of the participants. All the participants have voted depending on their preferences. You can now confirm the meeting depending on the votes. With the Zoom integration activated, Vyte will automatically create a Zoom conference room link at the confirmation of the event. You can try all our Pro features for free during 14 days, no credit card required.